Hello friends, I'm here to introduce you about my new project called eksctl Explorer. You can access eksctl Explorer by going to eksctl.learntosolveit.com. And this web application is a tool to explore the various different commands that is available with eksctl. eksctl is a tool to launch your Amazon EKS clusters. Amazon EKS is a managed Kubernetes offering from Amazon. And Kubernetes is a platform that you run on your cloud providers or on your computer, on which you can run your applications in a reliable and a cost-effective manner. It abstracts away the underlying hardware so that you can run your applications on any cloud providers. And it helps you reliably scale them and then operate them. So EKS Scuttle is the tool that will help you launch the Amazon's Kubernetes service. Um, the eksctl.io webpage provides the various different features of the tool. And in order to create the basic cluster, you just have to kind of like, as it's given here, eksctl create cluster. And it's tied to the Amazon's versions of Kubernetes. It's tied to EKS. However, the features of our features available in this tool are so great that I wanted a tool for myself to explore the various features of EKS cluster. So how do I use this tool? You can come to this eksctl Explorer and then you choose from the drop down. If you want to create a basic cluster, with the default options, you just create eksctl create cluster, which is available from the page itself. However, because EKS has so many features like providing GitOps and providing custom VPC configurations, IPv6 support, or even kind of like EKS Anywhere clusters, or with Carpenter and different kind of like options with managed node groups. All these are provided in terms of the documentation here. And in order to explain that, in order to kind of like dwell deep on it, and then you have a readily available example, this tool, eksctl Explorer, can help you. For example, if I want to create a cluster with, say, a customized 5-node cluster, choosing a create cluster with a custom 5-node cluster will give you the usage command and note against it, which you can use as a reference. And you can simply copy paste this command and then go to your terminal and paste it and launch it. So this will create a custom 5-node cluster with a C5X large and against EKS 127 against your data center with an OpenID connect. So this customized cluster will be available to you, which can be used in production easily now. And not just that, like for example, if you want to create a cluster with configuration file. And for example, here's the configuration file for creating the cluster with the Windows configuration, Windows node groups. So you can easily copy paste this configuration file, go to your command, and then create cluster.yaml or any file that you choose, and just do eksctl create cluster -f cluster.yaml. So that's pretty much it, and you can create a custom cluster with just few commands. Explore. So this what I have done is index the various different options that are available for creating a cluster, like creating a cluster with, say, a Windows node cluster, yeah, with, say, custom CSI drivers with encrypted volumes, with GitOps Flux 2 that you saw here. Okay, and and you can also kind of like if you are working with machine learning workloads, for example, if you want a custom Kubernetes cluster with, say, Kubeflow, and this template will help you launch the basic Kubernetes cluster with Kubeflow that you can customize against and then bring up your production cluster. So it's a handy reference tool that you can use to bring up your cluster. Not just bring up your cluster, but manage the cluster too. Like for example, if you want to install EKS, if you want to install the EKS command line itself, you can readily come here and install it. Or if you want to um, uh, list the add-ons of a particular cluster, that's the commands are available basically here. And if you want to manage a non-EKS cluster, you can get them here with scaling the node groups and everything. And then if you want to create and associate an OpenID connect provided to your cluster, that's the utils commands available with the eksctl that you can register against. You can you can list the different add-ons that are available in your cluster. You can list the different clusters that you are available in your account. So all these options are available in the Explorer that you can use as a reference. The web app itself is like fairly straightforward to use. It has a normal typing speed and a fast typing speed. Normal typing speed will just create it. I mean, the one that you see will be slowly uh, uh, typed, and the fast typing speed will just give a fast typing speed for that. And the web app provides a light mode as well as a dark mode that you can switch against. The code is available in the GitHub that you are welcome to contribute to. Now that I have kind of like have all my most of my needs with eksctl commands available, I'm planning to create a similar tool with kubectl and see how I can manage my cluster further. Okay, that's pretty much I had for the demo. Thanks for watching. You're welcome to contribute, and see you until my next project with kubectl. Thank you.